Hi there, students. Decor. Decor. Okay, the decor is the decoration of a room. The colour, the style, the arrangement, the different types of objects that are used as decorative elements in a room. So, the decor of a hotel. The decor of the hotel was very Art Nouveau and very, very tasteful. So it's the visual aesthetic. It's the choice of colour, the choice of furniture, how things are arranged. Okay, so the decor of a room, the furnishing and decoration of a room is the decor. The outside of the building looks very, very boring, but the interior decor is beautiful. The interior decoration, the furbishings, yeah, how it is decorated, how it is embellished inside. You could also use this word decor for a stage set. You have a play. The decor of the stage set where the actors give their lines is very important. It gives the feel of the place where the actors are. The decor, the style, the layout, the furnishings, how the different pieces of furniture are put, where they're put, if they're lots. So you could have a minimalist decor. You could have medieval decor. And I think the decor that's inside a house needs to echo the style of the house. So a beautiful late 18th century Georgian mansion should have Georgian furniture and perhaps a neoclassical decor inside. Okay, so the decor, the decoration. The decor includes period furniture and contemporary art. So the furniture inside the house is of the same age as the house itself, and so are the pictures. The decor was very dark. It looked like a museum. The decor was very Asian. The decor gave the impression of an Indian temple. The decor of the cafe was clean and contemporary. The Victorian decor was rather shabby and old. Good decor very often includes many little idiosyncratic touches. But decor needs to be tasteful and restrained, not too impacting. Because if the decor is very striking, maybe it will leave you feeling a little bit uncomfortable. The decor in his house has a cool sophistication. Okay, so this is the idea of decor. The style of decoration of a room or a building. So the room had a Persian style decor. The house had a very oriental decor, an oriental style. The decoration scheme is the idea. So the decor, the look, the colour scheme, the ornamentation, the furniture was elegant and but simple. So the decor, I think the best decor is simple but elegant. The room was very, very comfortable, but I didn't really like the decor. Yeah, the way it was decorated, the style, the scheme of the room. So, let's see, decor, formality. I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use anywhere. And As to origin, it comes from the French word décor, which itself comes from Latin decor. Decor meaning grace, elegance, beauty, charm. Notice as well the spelling. You can either spell it with an accent on the first E or not, depending. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Decor.